Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are building a fire pit. So me and my husband are working on digging out a 6-foot by 6-foot square because we're laying a patio base floor down before we do the fire pit. I've got all my blocks over there, everything that I need. All my sand and stuff is right there. He is working over there, and I have another clip that I'll insert of him working. So right now we're working on removing the sod, and then we're gonna try to level the area the best we can before we add the it's like a pavement leveler sand. It's like a brown sand. So we're working on that. I will insert that short clip of him doing it over there, and then in a little bit I'll show you where we're at. Alright, so we just finished ripping up the sod. Now we're trying to level it with the dirt that's in the ground before we bring it in the paver leveling stuff.
Roughly in the middle there.
So this section is going to be where the paving stone's going to go, and then the fire pit's going to be in the center of that, and then we're going to do benches and stuff all around it, and then fill it in with gravel rock. So we have the leveling sand in, and now we're getting ready to put in the blocks. Stop, Olivia. Don't. Work in progress. Slowly but surely it's getting there. We almost have the base. This was so hard. It was so not level. But we're getting there. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so our base patio is done.
Is that done?
That part is. So now we're getting ready to build the fire pit. Started laying rocks down, and it is all done. And that is the finished fire pit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.